let's kind of get started with this idea. What is More Health working on? Like, what is the problem that you're solving? And let's start talking about how that can help, the healthcare system, the mission and everything. But tell us more about More Health.
It'd be my pleasure. So about 10 years ago, Hope Lewis, our founder, was working as an attorney in Beijing. And in China, the way that relationships are built are different than in the US. In the US, we tend to start with a high level of trust with our partners, and then your actions can erode that trust or maintain that trust. Whereas in China, people tend to start at a very low trust level, and then trust is built up over time. And she'd gotten to the point where she had high trust levels with her clients. And one of her clients, their child was diagnosed with a very rare form of cancer. And they were able to put together all of the best physicians in China into a hotel room to take a multidisciplinary approach to diagnosing her, to try to figure out if there were ways that they could treat her. And the doctors all came up with the same response, which was, you need to start some sort of hospice care for her. There's nothing that can be done. But fortunately, Hope had some contacts at UCSF Medical Center in San Francisco. And they said, you know what, you should come here, see if there's anything that we can do here. There's been new advancements in care. So Hope flew to San Francisco with the child's medical records. And sure enough, there were new treatments that they were able to use to treat the child. And she's now a healthy 12-year-old. She's doing great. But the thing is, it took over a year of treatment, and it cost the parents about $2 million. Now, this really stunned Hope because she thought that she was making a good wage in Beijing as an attorney at a big firm, but there was no way that she could afford that kind of care for her family members in the event that they had such a critical diagnosis. So she started working with her high school classmate, Bo Hu, to develop a way to bring the expertise of US physicians to people in China and around the world. And that's where More Health came from, just to create greater access to high levels of care for everyone, for as many people as possible.